Welcome to JH. If you often feel like your day is disappearing or wonder where your time goes, you are not alone. Effective time management is a major challenge for freelancers, business owners, and teams alike. That is why I am thrilled to introduce Jibble, a powerful time tracking tool designed to simplify your professional life. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to use Jibble to monitor hours, manage tasks, and stay organized. I will break everything down step by step, explaining how the platform works while sharing tips to maximize your efficiency. Let's get started. To begin, visit the main website at jibble.io. Once there, click the prominent Start Now button. Jibble is built for simplicity, so you do not need to be a technical expert to set it up. You will be asked to create an account by providing your name, email, phone number, and a password. While you could use a temporary email for testing, it is best to use your primary work email to ensure you receive important updates and notifications. Next, enter your organization's details. This process is very straightforward. Provide your company name or a specific project title. Select your industry from the list, such as healthcare or advertising, and indicate your team size. Now, you can set your primary objectives. Whether you are monitoring employee attendance or tracking project progress, Jibble allows you to customize the experience. By selecting your specific focus, the platform will tailor its features to match your priorities. Once registered, you will arrive at the Jibble dashboard, which serves as your central command center. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to navigate. On the left sidebar, you will find key sections including the dashboard, timesheets, reports, settings, and activities. Each area is designed to help you manage different facets of your team's productivity. The dashboard provides a high-level overview of team or solo activities, allowing you to toggle between daily, weekly, and monthly views to spot trends or review progress. For teams, you can see who is currently clocked in and what they are working on at a glance. The timesheet section is where you log work hours. Whether your team clocks in for shifts or enters time manually for specific projects, this feature ensures your records are accurate. If you need a deeper look at the data, the reports section generates detailed breakdowns of time spent on various tasks or by individual members. These insights are perfect for refining workflows, boosting efficiency, or sharing progress with clients and stakeholders. Using Jibble feels like having a productivity coach right at your fingertips. If you are working with others, adding team members is a vital step. You can quickly invite them via email by entering their addresses or generate a unique join link to share through chat or messaging apps. For more control, you can manually add members one by one and assign roles like admin or regular user. I also recommend having your team download the Jibble mobile app. While the desktop version is great, the app allows users to clock in and out from the office, home, or the field, ensuring no hours go unrecorded. Adding your team is about more than just accounts. It is about empowering them with the right tools. Tracking time is effortless with the prominent play button on your dashboard. Simply click it to clock in when you start, and click it again to finish. You can even include notes about specific tasks to stay organized. Jibble offers great versatility, supporting desktop browsers, mobile apps, and shared kiosks for physical workplaces. To keep data secure, you can enable advanced verification like facial recognition or GPS tracking, which logs the location of team members when they start their day. These tools make time tracking both easy and highly reliable for any team setup. The scheduling tool is a game changer for structured work hours. Navigate to settings and select work schedules to manage shifts. You can set specific time blocks, such as 9 to 5 for weekdays, and even configure automated reminders to nudge your team before their shift begins. This system allows you to assign unique schedules to different groups or create exceptions for specific roles, improving overall accountability and ensuring everyone knows their expected hours. Whether you run a retail store or a remote agency, this tool keeps everything running smoothly. Jibble also functions as a robust project management tool. Using the Activities and Tasks feature, you can categorize work into broad groups like content creation and then break them down into specific tasks like video editing or writing. For example, you might track 2 hours for drafting an introduction and 90 minutes for editing a final draft. This level of detail is perfect for freelancers who need to bill clients accurately or teams analyzing time distribution. You can even color code activities and set hourly rates to turn time management into a powerful tool for planning and billing. Managing leave is just as simple. In the time off section, users can log requests for vacations or sick days, which are then sent to admins for approval. You can also sync public holiday calendars based on your region, which is incredibly helpful for global teams. Finally, use the reports section to review total hours worked and attendance summaries to see who is punctual or who might be falling behind. You now have a complete understanding of how to use Jibble to stay productive and manage your team effectively.